Charging your robot vacuum is simple. First, make sure that your charging station is plugged into an outlet. A solid green light on the side of the dock should illuminate. If there is no light on the dock, or if the light is flashing, try a different outlet. Next, make sure that the power to your robot is turned on. To manually place it on the charger, make sure that the metal charging plates on the bottom of the robot are aligned with the metal charging contacts on the dock. With the bumper facing forward, center your robot and place it a ½ inch away from the dock. In a few moments, you should see the blue lights on top of the robot begin to flash. This means your robot is charging. If you do not see flashing blue lights on your robot or see a red error light, it means your robot is not properly in the dock. Try gently pushing the robot forward to engage contact between the vacuum and the charging station until you see flashing lights. You can also send your robot to its charging station by simply pressing the dock button. When you see the flashing blue lights, you know your robot is charging. For additional information or assistance, call this number or visit sharkclean.com.